Welcome to a new lecture of this playlist. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please subscribe this channel and access the playlist, as this channel is new and needs your support to grow. The link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we will learn what is OSI model and TCP IP protocol and how they are different. So let's start the tutorial. OSI model. The OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, model is a conceptual framework used to understand network communication in 7 layers. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) and is used to guide product and protocol development in computer networking. Here are the 7 layers of the OSI model. 1. Physical layer. Deals with the physical connection between devices, e.g., cables, switches, etc. Transmits raw data bits over a physical medium like wires or wireless signals. 2. Data link layer. Responsible for node-to-node data transfer. It organizes data into frames and controls how data is placed on the network. Error detection and correction happen here. 3. Network layer. Handles packet forwarding, routing, and addressing. It determines the best path for data to travel across the network, using IP addresses. 4. Transport layer. Ensures error-free data transfer between end-to-end systems. It controls data flow and guarantees delivery with protocols like TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. 5. Session layer. Manages sessions, connections, between applications. It ensures that data is properly synchronized and managed during communication. 6. Presentation layer. Translates data between the application and transport layers. It deals with data encryption, compression, and conversion, e.g. from ASCII to EBCDIC. 7. Application layer. The layer closest to the user. Provides network services directly to applications, e.g., HTTP, FTP email services. TCP IP model. The TCP IP model is another conceptual framework for understanding network communication, more widely used today than the OSI model. It consists of 4 layers. 1. Network interface layer. Corresponds to the OSI's physical and data link layers. Deals with the physical transmission of data over the network like Ethernet. 2. Internet layer. Equivalent to the network layer in the OSI model. This layer handles packet routing through the network, using IP addresses. 3. Transport layer. Same as the OSI transport layer. It ensures reliable data transfer between 2 systems using TCP or UDP, User Datagram Protocol. 4. Application layer. Corresponds to the application, presentation, and session layers of the OSI model. It handles high-level protocols like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP, directly interacting with applications. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.